So this is the shampoo we're using. It's called Burt's Bees for Dogs. It's almond shampoo with oat flour and honey, and it's supposed to leave her skin really pretty and soft. And the instructions say don't get it in her eyes, so we're not going to get it in her eyes. So see what she looks like after we shampoo her. Here we are. This is Honey. Say hi, Honey. Say hi. Poor Honey needs a bath because her daddy Coleman decided to pee on her. And so we're going to give her a bath. And we'll let you know how it turns out with the shampoo that we're using. Look how fluffy you are. Look at that curly hair. Honey, I'm so clean and I smell so pretty. I smell so pretty. There's a doggy door. I want to go find some mud. No mud. He actually shows the cleanliness even more. You know?
Yeah, so I think you're probably the dirtiest. I love you, girl.
Look at how clean you are, Coleman. You look like a whole new dog. You're not fluffy anymore. You're not fluffy anymore. But you still look a little chubby. I've been on a diet, everybody. I've been trying to lose weight. And Mommy's going to make me an exercise gym, which I'm so excited about. Hi, everyone. Just pretend my daddy's not here. I'm cuter. You see what she did? She came right up and said, nope, it's me. I'm here. Look how clean I am. I'm the model in the family. Just because I can't see don't mean I can't model. They really do look clean. They're so cute. You guys are... Why are you hiding, Coleman? Why are you hiding? I can still see you. I've had enough of this. Well, never mind. I guess I'll stay. They're so cute.
So I am really happy with this doggy shampoo. The dogs are very clean and their fur is so shiny. They also smell really nice. I left a link to the shampoo in the description box. It is available on Amazon.